Years went by, maybe even more than a decade, but these Williams diesels were one of my first purchases after getting back into the hobby. Most of my trains before this were sets from my childhood. In the late 1990s, $200 was a lot for me to spend on a toy. It still is today, but I've always had a fondness for the Baltimore and Ohio. This is the powered unit, and it's only been on the track a few times in nearly 30 years. The glossy paint and graphics are still like new. It's mainly because of Williams trains like these that most of my early custom jobs also featured shiny paint. Even as a kid, I never liked combining Matchbox cars with Hot Wheels, Legos with Lincoln Logs. I liked it when my toys were made by the same manufacturer, in roughly the same scale, and even from the same era. And then Williams introduced the B&O Cincinnatian passenger cars. At the time, I thought these were really cool, but I also secretly wished that these had had gold lettering and gold stripes to match the locomotives. I also knew that together, this would make a really great looking set.